is Austin, and today on Mystery Tech, alright, this looks very suspicious. The DrowseBuster? The DrowseBuster? What? DrowseBuster is a gadget that can easily be attached to your earlobes and provide a comfortable massaging effect through a combination of traditional Chinese medicine and modern smart technology to eliminate your drowsiness and prevent you from falling asleep. Wait. It attaches to your earlobes and keeps you from falling asleep? I feel like this is gonna be in the thumbnail, my friends. So we just pull it out like this. Oh wow, that's it. This is what attaches to your ear. Is this gonna shock me? Wait, how does this work? Hold on. I'm reading some more instructions. I've been burned by this once too many times. Whoa! It's like little electrical shocks to my ear. Ugh. Oh! It feels almost like a vibration, but it's like shocking me. I can tell because the hair on the top of my ear is standing up. Ugh. It's not okay, it actually hurts a little bit. It's man, why does everything always have to be shocking me? I mean, you're not gonna fall asleep with that in your ear. You are definitely not gonna fall asleep. I kinda wanna try it again though. Right, so I can hit the button. Oh, I can change the power. Oh no. Ah! That's a lot of power. Okay, should have done that. Ah!
Hi, today I'm going to be showing you the new pair of camera sunglasses from Wingsung. They come in this sturdy case. Inside you will find your cleaning cloth, your USB charging cord, and your glasses. Now if you look right down the front here, you'll see that is the camera lens for this, and on the left arm right here you will see there's an SD card slot and a tab. This tab here is where you plug in to charge or to connect to your PC. Now the nice thing with these is they actually send you a 32 gig micro SD card. So we put it in here till it clicks and we flip these around. There's a button right here on the left arm, and when you're ready to record you tap it once and you'll see your blue lights come on. The front one is flashing, which means we're recording. When you want to stop and save, tap it one more time, it goes into standby. Now you can record 5-minute loops or clips, so if you just push it once and let it record, it will keep recording until you either shut them off by tapping to stop it, just tap it once, or if you let it run out of battery power, which is about 2 hours. To power the glasses off, you just press and hold this button for 3 seconds, and now they're off. These are great glasses. The video is 1080. The sharpness and the clarity is amazing for such a small camera. I hope this helps get you started with your new glasses, and enjoy them.
An unboxing and review of this music sleep mask. This sleep mask is Bluetooth enabled, so you can use it with any Android, iPhone, or tablet device. It also comes equipped with a microphone, so you can talk on it as well as listen to music. So inside the box here, you get a few different items. Firstly, this is the sleep mask. It also comes with a little travel bag. It's a USB charging cord. And of course, it comes with a little user manual and thank you card. All right, so after using the sleep mask, I can say that it was so comfortable and wonderful to use. It helped me fall asleep very fast. If you'd like to listen to sounds or music while you're falling asleep, this is definitely a great option for you. The padding around the eyes made it so I did not see any light through this mask. It also has a little nose piece right here, which really helped me breathe safely throughout the night. It keeps a wonderful charge, and of course you can see the exact charge of it on your cell phone. And another feature that I love so much about this mask is that it has all of its little main controls here on the front of the mask. It has the volume controls and the play and pause button here as well. Connecting the Bluetooth is super simple. All you have to do is press and hold the play pause button in the middle of the sleep mask. Once the lights start flashing, head over to the Bluetooth on your phone and you will see the letters BT-FAAH. Once you see this come up on your phone, click it and then you are connected. I made sure that I charged it before use as it said so on the manual, and afterwards I put it back on the charge. The charge time is 2 to 2.5 hours, which is very quick and easy. A big concern that I had about this mask was that it said in the manual that you can wash it. So I was wondering how that was possible with all the cords inside. However, all the cords can be removed and none of the speakers are fixed in it, so you can take it out and wash it anytime you like. Also, that makes it to where you can adjust any of the speakers inside of the mask. It is very travel friendly, so I cannot wait to throw it in my bag and take it on any long plane or train ride that I go on. It's definitely gonna help me get some good sleep. Again, this mask was so comfortable and so lightweight on the face. It helped me achieve a refreshing night of sleep and I felt so rejuvenated when I woke up.